Welcome to today's video. Now, as you guys know, with the Yeeata, we've got a little bit of an American yee yee kind of theme with it. So I figured, let's get Mr. America himself to jump in the car, and we'll take him for a bit of a rip. We'll let him do some donuts and stuff in it and get your thoughts on it, because you've driven pretty much every American vehicle out there when it comes to off-roading, right?
I've driven pretty much a lot of the American toys and foreign toys.
Exactly. So you'll be able to give your 2 cents on this and what you think about it.
If it's worth anything, it's still 2 cents.
All right, what about visually right now? What do you think?
It's kind of crazy. I mean, it's like a grasshopper on steroids. I mean, I don't know what to say about it. I mean, in reality, you start adding the equation. I've been on side-by-sides and lifted and lowered trucks and cars and done the dumbest things you could probably do here as an American or as anybody in the United States. And unfortunately, this is just one cool little car. I mean, it's a golf cart on steroids. It's a grasshopper on steroids. I don't know what you want to call it.
What do you think about my bash bar? I'm sorry, my bush bar. Like, it's just for pushing grass and stuff out of the way. And putting lights on. It's a light bar.
Guys, if I pull on it, it'll show you how much it flexes. But I like it. I like it. It wouldn't do the tree that I did with the side-by-side with these guys.
Oh, no, for sure.
But it definitely is a cool trail.
Right? All right, let's jump in. Let's go for a ride. All right, so you remember how loud this thing was?
Absolutely.
All right, you ready?
Go.
I fixed it.
What happened?
I welded a muffler onto it.
When?
Today.
Nice.
Yeah, still got a little bit of sound to it, but not that bad.
Now it sounds like a true racer.
What do you think about waifu?
I do like.
You like? All right.
Friday night.
Probably going to Roxy's.
Yeah,
all right. Let's go find some trouble. I mean, some fun. Some fun.
Yes, some normality.
Yeah. Someone was saying somewhere about 2 guys in a Miata, and I can't help but notice, where's your arm right now?
Hairdresser.
Tommy, the cameraman now.
Absolutely.
You're no longer the painter.
So if it's actually bad, blame it on me.
Yeah. All right. Ooh. You got your seatbelt on, sir? Oh, it's America. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. The brush guard's in.
The brush guard. Already using it. All right, you ready for this, sir?
Go for it.
Yee yee! He's so fogged up.
Yeah, boy! You know, out of all the cool things, you do know how to drive at least.
I definitely know how to swing it.
Oh yeah. This is a one swingers club.
For sure, right?
Yeah,
right. I'm gonna go take the long route.
All right. That's the metal cable, so you know.
It's actually really fun. Like, I feel like this is like a
ultimate off-road, on-road car.
Yeah, but also when you're off-road, it's such a good practice car for like getting your steering down pat, especially like if you're into drifting.
Absolutely.
Don't roll.
Don't roll. I am on the wrong side.
You getting some air there, Tommy?
Yeah, you know, the air shocks on the sheet are working great. Shout out to those air seats.
Doesn't it feel so weird though? Like,
yeah, I actually like it.
Right?
You know who? Hey, in my lifetime, I never thought I'd say I'd be sitting next to a guy in a hairdresser or a Miata at that, and say I like it. Matter of fact, SAMMIT, you remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Right about there, they sunk it, guys.
We sunk your side-by-side there.
Good old Kawasaki went swimming.
Yeah, she certainly did.
She woke back up after that, though. Everybody, I want to show you real quick. We're actually using the brush guard, look.
Yeah. Just mowing some grass, you know.
Hopefully there's not a fire hydrant.
Hopefully there's no surprise there.
Fire hydrant.
Yeah.
I kind of like this thing, dude.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Dude, it's gonna have a wet nitrous kit on it soon.
Nice.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go for a little bit of a side adventure, little trail.
Cool.
Think you could get something like this down here?
No, I never thought I'd be in a car back here. Although I've done this in a side-by-side in off-road vehicles. Yee yee! I actually like this thing.
It's super easy to steer as well. Like, as long as you know your basic understeering, drift, like, kind of stuff, you can pretty much take this thing anywhere. And with the locked diff, it's just so controllable.
Yeah. Guys, you know how sketchy this is for me? See those trees? Absolutely, I'm leaning on a salmon.
Have you been clopped in the face yet?
More than once. Just not in these trees. Almost overcorrected.
Yeah, almost.
Almost don't count in the world of radio.
There's a spider on me. I flicked it off mid.
Nice.
Oh man. So what do you think?
I actually like this thing.
Right?
It's kind of a ride. Listen, you have to try it if you've never tried it before to understand it.
Yeah, like it's so weird. Like everyone probably thinks this is stupid and this thing's like not worth any money. But like if you think about all the parts and the wheels and stuff on here and everything compared, dollar to smile, right? Way too much fun.
Yes.
As long as you've got places where you can take it and beat on it.
Yeah, it's well worth it. I would hands down tell everybody you have to at least experience this once in a life.
Yeah.
Before you understand. I mean, big shout out to everybody that lived in Yeeata.
That's it.
You know, I don't think Sam had ever thought he'd be in the US doing this either.
Not at all. Not at all. I didn't even know these things existed, and then Chris rocked up with one and I was like, I need one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it a couple times.
So I'm gonna let Tommy take it for a drive now. I think it wouldn't be fair if we didn't let Mr. America himself take it for a few donuts in the paddock.
You know it's my first time driving steak, right?
Get out of here. This guy. Yee yee. That's what I'm talking about. Watch Tommy send it into the canal now.
How does this thing hold up?
Pretty well.
This is the good old American whipping, bud.
So much dirt in my mouth.
In your mouth.
Oh my gosh.
How do you like that?
Oh,
That's how you whip.
That was good. Just be careful, there's like cables up here. Yeah, see right there?
Yeah, I know.
We do not want to hit that.
We learned that on the side-by-side.
Yeah, we did. We ain't going through there though, we ain't sinking this. I gotta sell this on Sunday.
Well, you know, it might be a little cleaner.
Yeah. It would not get out of that for sure.
You know, I just wanted to go this way because how's it uphill?
Oh yeah, true. I mean, it's pretty good.
Oh, I kind of like this one. This is like side-by-side on steroids.
Yeah.
Although it's not really.
Yeah, it's definitely a little bit bogged down, but the nitrous will fix that.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we gotta go up this now.
I kind of want to do this one.
All right. All right. Woo! That feel good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
I like my driving so far.
I love it. I think you need to hit that again and I need to get outside and show the people.
How insanely steep and weird that is.
Yeah, that looks kind of weird.
I think I learned how to steer yesterday, but it was kind of cool.
Yesterday, my fuck. Oh my gosh. Letting loose, Mr. America.
Yeah. So how's my driving?
Really good, dude. I'm pretty impressed, not gonna lie.
You know, I've been known to mess up a car too.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. Yee yee. Oh my god. Oh.
Well,
You're relentless, Tommy.
You know, if we're gonna do donuts, we're gonna do donuts.
Oh no! Man card revoked. That was weird.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I got my man card revoked trying to be gentle. I don't know that word. Well,
I'm just trying to get all the dust and sand off me, but
America!
What do you think? Yeah, all the America off me.
Yeah. Like it.
You like it?
You know, everybody get one, drive one. When you see one, ask to ride in one before you judge it. That's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
You know, it's a lot of fun. It was a cool toy to just whip around, and I'm glad you let me whip it.
Hell yeah. Dude, this thing is seriously so much fun. I don't know how to portray it in the camera and the footage because every time I try to film it, it just doesn't do it justice, but Yeah, I'm just trying to get as many people's reactions so that you guys can understand that this thing's actually a lot of fun.
I'm super sorry about the sand. I didn't
don't worry about it, dude. I've put a fair share of dirt and sand in there, don't worry.
Yeah, you gotta whip this thing. Everybody get a chance, ride one. Come see good old Ruddy. He'll give you a ride and free Joe.
So we now just popped over to Tommy's shop because I noticed there were some 240SXs here, the hatch version, I guess. To me, this looks like a 180, but obviously left-hand drive America. And I was asking Tommy, what's the story here with these two cars? Now, it turns out one of your customers owns this.
Yes, one of my customers or a kid showed up and asked me to do a rust repair on this.
So he got a shell to cut parts out of to repair his car, right? Because of all the rust and stuff, right?
Yep. Now, I'll walk over here and show you. This was my first red flag. I walked up and I said, okay, we're gonna fix this, no problem. Take the engine out, I'll see what we got.
Yeah.
Now, I saw the rust here.
Yeah.
But unbeknownst to me at first, there's a stamped VIN here.
Oh yeah, there's VINs stamped into the chassis.
So then when I looked at the other one, I said, well, the part I need, why did they cut it out? And then I realized that they cut all the VINs out.
Yikes.
So I called the customer and I said, unfortunately, you know, since we're a car guy and car community, you got to come pick up both cars.
Yeah, because you can't work on that.
I won't work on that. I refuse to do that to the car community. It's just not my style.
Yeah. So, I guess we can make an assumption that this car was stolen, most likely.
According to the seller at this point, because I do have messages, text messages.
Oh wow, they completely cut it out of the door seal.
According
like
to the
just
seller,
destroyed it.
This was a certificate of destruction, and he took the VINs out.
What does a certificate of destruction
that
mean?
That means the car can never be re-registered. It was in their wreck. Yes, it's bent there. Yes, it's bent in the rear.
Yeah.
But a certificate of destruction means it can't be redone. A tow company, a lien company, or somebody, whoever put it to become a certificate of destruction, is the only one that can reverse that. That car is not, I don't care.
Yeah, but that doesn't justify you cutting out VINs.
That's where I'm at. So when they tell you a certificate of destruction, make sure you get the CD, the paperwork with it. There's no reason for this. If these are cut out, hypothetically speaking, this car might not be stolen, but your S13 might be with these VINs soon.
Yeah.
And that's the whole reason why I refuse to work on this. At this point, this needs to go back to the original owners, which I told the customer, which he got duped. He showed me the messages. Now they're not communicating with him. So now it's a whole nother ball game. But make sure a certificate of destruction, a rebuilt salvage, make sure you have some sort of paperwork that match the VIN.
Yeah.
You know, because I heard you guys talking about it, and Adam, and everybody's talked about the cars, how they come in stolen in parts, and people, you know, paperwork comes with it.
Yeah, always get your paperwork, guys. But just be careful out there, I guess, is what we're trying to say. I've never seen anything like this, like where they've just gone and cut all the VINs out. Like to cut the door seal like that and then to take the dash out, because in America the VINs are built into the dash too.
Well, they're built into the metal, but on this one, since it's so old, it's on the dash.
Okay. So yeah.
This car came from Orlando, to be honest.
What is with Orlando? Orlando seems to be the place where a lot of these dodgy cars come from recently.
You know, well, all I can tell everybody is Orlando drifts.
Yeah. No, they're fine. Nothing to do with those guys.
I'm just saying. But no, there's no reason for a VIN number not to be on it.
Well, there's no reason for you to cut a VIN out. The
only reason this car shouldn't have a VIN there is because they cut this like this and they sold the front apron off that side. Yeah. If we needed this side and they cut this side, you'd expect half the VIN or whatever they cut to be gone.
For sure.
There's no reason. If I wanted this order, expect this to be gone, but this whole panel has to be gone. Yeah. There's no reason to cut out VINs unless you're trying to hide something. Correct. 100%. So yeah, let this be a reminder to you guys. Tommy was telling me about it, and I just thought it'd be really good to throw it in the video so that you guys are the wiser, I guess. This package from LRB Speed just arrived, and I'm really excited about what's supposed to be in here. They got this to me so fast after they saw the Yeeata and what we were doing with it. Let's try and slide this all out. Ugh, it's so difficult opening packages with one arm. Let's see, look, slide. Come on. There she comes. Yee yee. Oh man, I'm way too pumped for this. Yes. Look at this, guys. So, as you guys know, we've ripped off those hideous door cards that were in there. LRB make these beautiful ones that you can get in raw alloy, depending on what model Miata you have and everything. Like, they have all your needs there. And look, we even got some
speaker slots, yo. Oh my gosh, and the best thing is they're ultra light. These are actually lighter than the OEM door cards, so definitely recommend it. We also got a couple cowling kits. These are going to be for 1, the Forged Miata, and 2, the Yeeata. So we got 1 of each for that. And if I can pull this out really quickly, I got the camo door handle straps. So perfect for the Yeeata. I think we don't need to talk about this anymore. Let's just get these in. So check this out. It looks so good, and I can't get over how simple the installation was. My favorite thing is that everything is perfect fitment wise. It clears. The handle, the camo strap was just even more perfect. I mean, I can't fault this thing at all, bar my dirty fingerprints on the thing. I definitely need to hit that with a rag and some brake cleaner or something. But as you can see, I opted for the speaker hole because a nice pair of 6-inch marine speakers will go great in this. You know, so when you're smashing trails and mud and water's going everywhere, you can still have some beats and they're waterproof and stuff. But this thing is seriously so easy. You don't have to drill any holes. It's literally like, it's a bolt-on. It's so simple and easy. Man, I love this strap, the camo strap. So good. And it just, yeah, like I said, no drilling holes or anything. It literally is a true bolt-on. I love it. I love this product so much. I want to make sure I rep the sticker here. Let's get that on there. Nice. A little bit of ASMR transfer coming off, guys. Oh yeah. Perfect. I love it, even though the camera can barely see it. Oh, there you go. That's much better. So good. This is seriously such a cool thing. This is what makes this trashy, beat up, like, off-road Miata look good. Just look how good that looks. They do dashes and center consoles and everything. I wish I had the time to just do the entire car, because that would make this thing look so, so good. So I just got this thing outside and gave it a little bit of a pressure wash and got all the rest of the dirt out from underneath it. But this thing seriously looks so good with these door cards. I'm so glad we got these. Seriously, the best. Tomorrow I'm going to install the cowl that goes under here, and that'll protect all of that up and seal it up so no mud and dirt and stuff's getting in there, because that's where the interior fan is. So you don't want it like spitting leaves or mud or dirt back at you. But I really do love how much it's cleaned up the interior. Seriously, if I had enough time, I would have ordered the dash and the full center console and everything, because the best thing about it is it's super light because it's aluminum. That's how you guys say it here in America. So all of that would be aluminum, and you'd lose all that weight and stuff, and it'd make the car look so much better interior wise too. This weird like like covered leather stuff just looks so tacky and kind of weird, but the door cards have really cleaned that up, and I'm happy about that. I think I'm going to actually end today's video here. I'm definitely going to be grinding for the next few days to try and have some videos saved up so that when I am traveling back to Japan, that there isn't going to be a skipped or missed day. Plus, there's a whole bunch of stuff that I wanted to get done with this thing and the Forged Miata before I left anyways, so we're just going to try and get as much done as I can and sleep less, and it probably isn't a good idea because we don't want to weaken my immune system. But anyways, that aside, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button, write us a comment, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace out. Jamata.